Most people throw away an old refrigerator when it stops working. But then I thought about it. Inside, it already has an insulated structure designed for thermal efficiency. So, what if we use solar energy and turn it into a solar water heater? Let's talk about it. First, remove the compressors and open up the panels above the freezer compartment. And to make the job easier and faster, I recommend using an older refrigerator model. Since older refrigerators don't have as many internal air passages, so they are much simpler to modify. But if you're using a newer refrigerator that cools with a fan system, removing the fan assembly will leave several openings inside. In that case, use silicone sealant to close all of those gaps completely. At the top sections, install a float valve. This valve will automatically shut off the water supply when the tank is full. So when installing it, make sure that the refrigerator door can still close without hitting the valve. Next, drill an opening in the divider wall so water can flow between the two compartments inside the refrigerators. Then, apply silicone sealant around all pipe connections and seal everything completely. So the next step is measuring and drilling holes on the sides of the refrigerator. This is to allow the heat collection tubes to pass through. These holes should be evenly spaced and not oversized because they will need to be sealed later to prevent heat loss and water intrusions. And after drilling, thoroughly clean the entire cabinet. If the body isn't clean and properly sealed, its insulation's performance will be greatly reduced. Taking the time to do this carefully will help the system operate more efficiently once it's installed outdoors. Next, use a heat gun to soften the end of a plastic pipe. Once the pipe becomes flexible, gently expand it and insert it into the heat collection tube. Take your time during these steps, don't force it, because if the pipe is still too rigid, it may crack or fail to seal properly. A tight connection ensures smooth water flows and minimize leaks. It may look like a simple connection, but it's actually very important. The tighter the seal, the more stable the water flow, and the more effectively heat from the sun is transferred into the water. When inserting the glass tube into the water pipe, the minimum insertion depth should be about 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Then, apply a layer of silicone sealant around the outside to secure the glass tube to the pipe. The upper pipe serves as the cold water inlet, while the lower pipe is the hot water outlet. Now, take a look at the inside of the refrigerators, and as you can see, the overall design is actually quite simple. At around 3 p.m., the water temperature reached approximately 60 degrees Celsius, which is pretty good. So when mixed with cold water for everyday use, a 150-liter refrigerator tank can provide enough hot water for about 5 to 6 people. If the refrigerator's outer shell is still in good conditions, it can typically last 5 to 6 years before significant deterioration occurs. And if you want it to last even longer, simply build a small roof or cover above it to protect it from weather exposures. The second idea is turning an old refrigerator into a mobile outdoor dining table, starting by removing the refrigerator door and cleaning the interior thoroughly. Use silicone sealant to close all openings inside the refrigerator so water won't leak out. Then, install 4 caster wheels on the bottoms so the unit can be moved around easily. If you like a more attractive appearance, paint it in any color you prefer. And you can also add LED strip lighting for decorations and extra visibility. Next, use 2 glass panels to create the tabletop. And if you prefer a hinge design, install 2 hinges here. And if you'd rather have a sliding design, install drawer slides or rails so the panels can slide open. And the finished result looks fantastic. The table can be moved anywhere with ease. The top surface is perfect for serving food, sauce, drinks, or grilled dish when family and friends gathers outdoors. The refrigerator compartment below becomes a large insulated cooler. Just add ice and beverages and it can keep everything cold for hours.